Hey everyone, and welcome back to your English fluency lesson. Now, we are still in level 1, but we are on lesson number 5, which is all about likes and dislikes. So, that will pose some new things that we're going to learn with fluency. So, let's get started with our very first sentence, which is I like dun, 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 dun. I like music. I like music. Now, can we blend this? Let's take a look at it. I'll, I'll, oh, my tongue comes up for like, and it's the same shape for I. So we can probably blend that. Let's try. I like, I like. Hey, that blends really nice. I like. Now, what do I like? I like music. I like mu. There's a little break in there, so it's okay. I like, perfect. I like music. I like music. I like ice cream. I like, if they have the same sound, I like, I, then we can kind of continue it really smoothly. But if the thing you like doesn't have the same sound, don't worry about it. Have a little bit of a break in between. I like music. That's cool. I like music. I like music. But if it connects with the same kind of sound, I like I like ice cream. Put it together, right? Similar sounds on the end of a word and the beginning of the next word, they connect like magnets. Perfect time. Not time. Perfect timing. Time perfect. They go together well, okay? They go together. Same sound at the end and same sound at the beginning. Put them together. Cool. So I like music. I like music. I like ice cream. I do. I really like ice cream, but I like cookies better. Let's go to sentence number 2, which is something we don't like. Now with I like cookies, I'm excited, right? My tone kind of goes up. I like cookies. I like ice cream. Hey, I like puppies. So we have this up tone with things we like. When we talk about things we don't like, it's going to go down. So we're not happy about it. There's no excitement. I don't like that. That's not okay. So our second sentence is I don't like. So we already blended don't, right? Do and not don't. That was the easy one. Can we put I don't together like we did with I like? I like. Well, I don't. That's a big change in our mouth shape. So that's not going to work, right? I don't. That's okay because it's a negative. We're putting more emphasis on the thing we don't like. I don't like, don't like, don't like. I don't like. Don't like kind of goes together, but only because we keep that vibration in our nose, right? I don't like. The only way to do that was to throw away that T from don't. I don't like. I don't like. There's our blend. That's as blended as it blends, okay? No more blending. Okay. I don't like what? I don't like dancing. I don't like dancing. See that? See how my tone drops? I want to dance. I'm no good at dancing. But the sentence is I don't like dancing. So watch this tone. I don't like dancing. I don't like dancing. Dancing. If I had the opposite and I liked it, I like dancing. Dancing. I like dancing. Yeah, I like dancing. But this is a negative, so it's got to go down to show it. Okay? There has to be some feeling on the things we say. If I love it, my tone goes up. I'm excited. And if I don't like it, my tone drops. I don't like dancing. I don't like dancing. I don't like math. I really don't like math. I don't like math. I don't like math. Hey, I don't like math. Boom, comes down. Okay. Let's go to our third sentence, which is something we love. So I like this thing. I like it. It's right here, but oh, I really like it. I love it. I love this thing. Okay. Oh, I love this action. I love whatever. I love this thing. So I love watching movies. I do. I do. When I have time, I love watching movies. Can we blend this? Hey, that's just like I like, right? But not as smooth. I love. See, it's that tone in our voice, right? That, I love. So I love what? I love watching. Let's see if we can put love and watching together. I love. My mouth was closed at the end of love and closed for the beginning of watching. So we can put that together. I love watching. Repeat after me. I love watching. I love watching. Hmm. I love watching. I love watching. Now it's a second thing. I love something, right? I love this thing. So we have a little break here to give emphasis for the listener to know that this next word is important. I love watching movies. I love watching sports. I love watching sports. I love watching basketball. I love watching dancing because I can't dance, right? But I love watching movies. I love watching movies. So that emphasis is on the thing we love doing, right? I love I love what? I love playing the guitar. I love playing the guitar. The guitar. I love driving. I love driving my car. I love driving my car. I love driving my car. So the emphasis is always there on the thing we love. Cool. Let's go. I keep trying to scroll on my computer with my fingers. Wow. Okay. The fourth sentence is something we don't love, right? We don't enjoy. We don't, we do not like this thing. So enjoy would be something that we have to do. I don't like math. I don't like math. See, I can use don't like for this thing. But when we talk about an activity, right, we're going to say enjoy. I don't enjoy. I don't enjoy. Oh, same thing as before. I don't like. I don't like. We threw that T away. I don't enjoy. I don't enjoy. That's it. You got it. I don't enjoy what? Just like love. There's a little break here to put emphasis on the thing we don't like. And if we don't like it, our tone isn't up, it's down. I don't enjoy running. I don't enjoy doing math. I don't like math. I don't like math. I don't enjoy doing math. Oof. I don't enjoy running. I don't enjoy running. Tone goes down. Let's try it with something else. What don't I enjoy? I don't I don't enjoy hmm, I don't know. I don't enjoy jumping when I don't know. I don't enjoy swimming. I don't enjoy writing. I don't enjoy I'm running out of things because I like a lot of stuff, so it's really hard. What I don't enjoy. I don't enjoy washing the dishes. There's a good one. I don't enjoy that. I don't enjoy washing the dishes. Really down washing the dishes, right? I don't enjoy it at all. I don't enjoy washing the dishes. Cool. Let's go to our fifth sentence, which is something we like. Tone up. Tone up. I like eating pizza and pasta. Ooh, we have a compound sentence now. We're going up, right? We're going up in that difficulty. Proud of you. Let's practice this. I like eating pizza and pasta. How do we blend this? Well, I like. We're good at this. I like. I like e. I like e. I like e. See, my mouth doesn't change shape, which means put it together. I like e. I like eating. I like eating. Okay. I like eating. Now we have a compound, pizza and pasta. What do we do? That's the second half. We cut that sentence in half. I like eating pizza and pasta. We emphasize both of them. I like eating pizza and pasta. Pizza and pasta. Tone up, tone up, tone up. Pizza and pasta. I do. I wait. I like eating pizza and pasta. I like eating pizza and pasta. Ooh, repeat after me. I like eating pizza and pasta. I like eating pizza and pasta. Now, if we're really excited about it, 'cause I like it, right? I like it a lot. We can speed up a little. We can speed up a little to show how much we enjoy it. If we're just making the statement, I like eating pizza and pasta, keep it normal speed. But if we really like it, like, ooh, it's the greatest thing ever. I like cookies and milk. See, I sped up. I like cookies and milk. I like eating cookies and milk. I like eating cookies and milk. I like cookies and ice cream. I feel really fat now. But you get the idea, right? If you really, really like it, you can speed up. Just like if you're having a good time, you talk about it really quickly. Same thing in English. Let's go on to our sixth sentence, which is a negative. I don't like studying late at night. So we're adding a detail now. We're adding a detail. Before we had a compound sentence, pizza and pasta. How do we do it if it's a detail, like an extra detail? So I don't like, same as before, I don't like what? We're not going to change anything. I don't like studying. Now we have a new what? I don't like studying. And the new detail, the extra detail is another what. Think of it like that. What, studying, what, new detail. Okay? So I don't like studying late at night. I don't like studying. I don't like studying late at night. I don't like studying late at night. Late at night. Tap, tone, tone down, right? Tone down at the end. I don't like studying late at night. Repeat after me. Here we go. I don't like studying late at night. I don't like studying late at night. Mm-mm, not at all. I don't like studying late at night. I don't like driving in the snow. I don't like washing sand off my feet. That was a weird one, right? That was a weird sentence. But you see how that extra detail becomes a new what? So we pause a little bit, right? I don't like mm, mm, two chunks, okay? I don't like studying late at night. You've got this. If you have any questions, leave me a message and I will try my best to help you. But I'm pretty sure you've got this. Now, practice these. Practice these. We're starting to increase the difficulty of the sentences we're doing. And I'm proud of you for making it this far. Let's keep going. Let's get fluent. Let's get all of your speech patterns nice and flowy, just like mine. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.